Welcome to ITPK. Today we are diving into a hidden gem on YouTube called States for Nerds. This feature provides a treasure trove of information about the video you are watching, offering insights into everything from videos quality to playback statistic. Whether you are a content creator wanting to optimize your video or a viewer curious about the technical details, States for Nerds is an invaluable tool. So let's go ahead and see how we could enable State for Nerds in YouTube app. Let me close everything here first. Now let's go to YouTube. In the YouTube, you will see in right bottom on your Android phone U option. In U, you will find your profile here and you could go to setting from here. In the setting, please go to general tab, and in the general tab please find the option enable states for nerd here. So we have enabled states for nerds here. Now let's go back and close YouTube. Now let's go back on YouTube to verify the states for nerds. We will go to our channel, and for this example I will play my own video, right? So let's view the channel. Let's go to videos, and in the videos let's say I want to view the video here, how to sign out from all Gmail devices. So I have closed all the volume so that I can speak here, and let's say we have enabled the state for nerds from YouTube, but now we have to specifically enable the state for nerds for our this specific video. So please note that enabling it from YouTube globally is complementary, and after that we can enable it individually for the videos. So here let's go to setting. In the setting you will find the option additional settings, and in additional setting you will see here states for nerds. Let's enable this. Okay, I have enabled states for nerds for this specific video. First it is showing my mobile model, then it is showing the SCPN. After that it is showing the video ID. Video ID is a unique identifier for video which is useful for referencing specific content. Down we could see video format, audio format, also we could see the volume and bandwidth and redhead. So these are few options related to playback, resolution, adaptive bitrate, drop frames, buffer health, video codec, audio channels, and video frame rate, video duration, current time, buffering state, player size, and video title. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial that how we could enable state of nerd from YouTube on Android phone. So now let me show you how we could disable it quickly. Let's go to setting back, then additional setting, and here we can click back on state for nerds. Please note that disabling state of nerds from here will not disable globally from the YouTube. Let me go to settings and let me go to general, and here it is enabled for YouTube globally. I only have to enable it for specific video when I will play the video. If this is not enabled from here, this will not work for individual videos, or this will not give an option to enable state for nerds for individual video. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial on how to enable state for nerds on Android phone, and we have an overview of state of nerds. Thanks for watching, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care, bye.